As the economy tries to recover from the COVID-19 pandemic, fears of inflation keep rising. Interest rates are at an all-time low, making bonds a less attractive form of investment. Banks are not doing well either, but at the same time, exchange rates and transaction fees keep going higher. So, with all this, are banks still that necessary? Introducing Bitcoin. A Bitcoin is simply a decentralized digital currency, which means no banks, no governments, and most importantly, no borders. Bitcoin and the Bitcoin network simply consists of people using Bitcoin. So, how does it work? You can simply buy Bitcoin from an exchange. Some popular exchanges are Binance, Crypto.com, and BitBuy. Or you can simply accept Bitcoin as a means of payment. Because there are no banks, transactions go directly from person to person, and fees are very low. And also, all transactions are verified by the network, which makes it very secure. The number of Bitcoins in circulation are limited, and the value of a Bitcoin is determined by the laws of demand and supply. The price has been going up consistently for the past few months now due to increasing demand by big corporations. As more and more companies keep adding Bitcoins to their balance sheets, the price will keep on going higher, making it a good investment for young retail investors.